Get your free 1099 forms, a comprehensive guide.
Hello, and welcome to our video today. We're going to dive into a very important topic that affects many of us, getting our hands on 1099 forms. Specifically, we'll look at ways you can get these forms for free.
What is a 1099 form?
A 1099 form is a type of IRS tax form in the United States used to report various types of income other than wages, salaries, and tips. They're most commonly used by self-employed individuals, contractors, or those who have earned income through investments.
Are there free 1099 forms available?
The answer is a resounding yes. Free 1099 forms are available from several sources. The most reliable source is often the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, itself. You can usually order forms to be mailed to you, or you can download and print them directly from the IRS website. However, please note that the IRS website advises not to print and file the information copy only versions of their forms, as they may not be scan-able. There are also some online tax filing services that offer free forms, or at least free access to the forms, as part of their services. They will generally allow you to fill out and submit your 1099 forms directly through their platform, which can be a real-time saver.
What should I look for in a free 1099 form provider?
When choosing a platform or service to get your free 1099 forms, there are a few things you should look out for. 1. Reliability. Make sure that the source you are using is reliable and legitimate. As mentioned earlier, the IRS is the most reliable source for these forms. 2. Ease of use. Some services offer the ability to fill out the forms online, which can be easier and more convenient than filling out paper forms. 3. Support. Ideally, the service you choose will also offer some level of support, whether that's a FAQs page, a help center, or even live support. 4. Up-to-date forms. Tax laws and forms can change from year to year, so it's important to make sure you're getting the most current version of the 1099 form. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you to the resources you need for getting your free 1099 forms. Remember to choose a source that is reliable, user-friendly, and up-to-date. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns about your taxes, it's a good idea to consult with a tax professional. Thank you for joining us, and best of luck with your tax filing.